In this video, I will show you how to use Rythm bot server on Discord. To use this server, first open your browser. For this, I'll be using Google Chrome. From here, go to top.gg. Once you're in the website, you'll see an option to search. Here, just search Rythm. Go through the results until you find it and then click on it. Here you'll see an option to invite. Click on Invite. And then select the server on your Discord, authorize the server, and then go through the verification process. And that's it. It's easy as that. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, and share.